Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset United Concordia account password, recovery guide step by step clearly. To reset your United Concordia account password, start by navigating to the official United Concordia website. Once on the home page, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to be directed to the login page. On the login page, find the link that says Forgot Your Password and click on it. This will redirect you to the password recovery section. Here, you will be prompted to enter your registered email address. Type in your email address and double-check for any errors. After entering your email, click on the Submit button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from United Concordia. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you locate the email, open it and look for the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will take you to a new page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets all required security criteria. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. After both fields are completed, click on the Reset Password button. Your password will now be updated, allowing you to return to the login page. Enter your email and new password to access your account. You have successfully reset your United Concordia account password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.